Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of HK10 Ultra 3. Finally, it is now available and you can buy this on AliExpress. Link is in the description. Seller is Zorwing. It is a successor version of HK9 Ultra 2 and they are claiming it is faster compared to HK9 Ultra 2. So we are going to see that in a few minutes. And the application it supports is Wear Fit Pro application. You can pair this watch with your iPhone and Android devices. So yeah, box looks very similar to actually HK9 Ultra 2, but it is a little bit thicker compared to HK9 Ultra 2, the box. So let me just quickly peel the plastic off. And you get two straps inside the box, which is good actually. So the case size is 49 mm. And let me just quickly open the box. So here we have a quick start guide, which we don't need actually. It's very easy to pair these watches. So if you like to read this, you can read, but currently we don't need this. And inside the box, as I mentioned, we have two straps, which is very good. And we have charging dock. And here is our watch, and looks very premium actually. The color is also looking very similar to the original Apple Watch Ultra 2. So let me take the plastic off from the back. So here, as you can see, looks very premium. And the body color is also looking very similar to original Apple Watch Ultra. So on the back, as you can see, we have sensors. On the left hand side, we have speaker grill and action button, and we have speaker holes. So let me just quickly turn this on. I really like HK series because of its smoothness, guys, and they are using 60 Hz refresh rate compared to all other clone watches. It is one of the fastest in my opinion in the market right now. But it does not come with IP68 rating, which is unfortunately disappointing. So as you can see, the smoothness of the watch is amazing, guys, and the display quality is fantastic. So here is our watch face, and as you can see, the smoothness, amazing, guys. I really like the smoothness and touch sensitivity of HK10 Ultra, and it is actually looking faster compared to HK9 Ultra 2. So let me go into about. As you can see, we have system version 1.0.6. So let me just go back and let's check out the watch faces, how many watch faces we are getting. This one is also very nice, looks very good actually. If you tap on it, it changes color. And also looks really good. So here is our new watch face, and this one is also a very good watch face because as you can see, we can select some few applications. It has blood pressure sensor as well, and you can select some applications from the watch face. So yeah, this watch face looks really nice, and the animation is also looking very smooth. So let me just change it. This is also a new watch face. Let me just quickly show you this one. And looks very good actually on the AMOLED display. Here is another new watch face. So as you can see, the animations looks really good. And you can change the time format to 12 hours. Here is another new watch face. So looks amazing, guys. The display quality is very sharp and crisp. So if you are liking this video, guys, please click on that like button. And let me just quickly select this. You can also lock the watch faces, and if you rotate the crown key, you can go into quick menu If we swipe from the top, you get a notifications panel, and if we swipe from the bottom, you get quick menu, and if we swipe all the way down, you go directly into menu, so which is similar to original Apple Watch Ultra. And here is our quick shortcut. On the right hand side, we have heart rate application, sleep tracking, and music application. So weather application, you have to sync it with the Wear Fit Pro application. And we have blood pressure as well. Here is calculator application. Looks very nice and looks similar to original. And you can change the menu style by going here. Currently we are on waterfall view, which is similar to original Apple Watch Ultra. We have different menu styles like list view, curved view, grid view. So I'm going to see this one, and this one looks really nice actually. So if we double tap, this is the original one, waterfall. This is grid view, which is similar to the original Apple Watch Ultra. And the smoothness, guys, the smoothness is amazing. So let me just select this list view, and as you can see, the crown key haptic feedback is also very nice. If you rotate it, you get a really nice haptic feedback. So and if we, let me just quickly change it to another menu style, this curved view. This one also looks very nice. All of the menus are really smooth, and I'm feeling the difference compared to HK10 Ultra 2. This one looks very smooth. So yeah, amazing guys, the build quality is really amazing. And let's quickly check the heart rate sensor. If it will measure the table's heart rate. So let me just quickly open the heart rate application and put it on a table. And currently it is measuring, but thank God guys, finally it is not measuring the table's heart rate. That means they are improving on the heart rate sensor. Let's try again. As you can see guys, finally they fixed the problem. Now it is not measuring the table's heart rate, which is a very nice thing. So currently I put my fingers on the back and it will now measure, as you can see. So really this is a great thing that they are using a good heart rate sensor in this one, because previous HK9 versions, when you put it on a table, it will measure the heart rate. So here is our blood oxygen, compass application. This one is also working very nice. And sports mode. So as you can see, the animation looks very similar to the original Apple Watch Ultra, which looks very nice. It does not have that green theme anymore, which was annoying actually. It doesn't look that good. So I believe you can stop this from here. Let me just quickly stop. And the display quality, guys, I wish you can see in real life. It looks really similar to the original Apple Watch Ultra. So let me just quickly set the brightness to low and turn on the always on display. And you can change the timing of always on display. And we have different styles of always on display, 6 styles as you can choose from for always on display. This is a great feature actually. This was on DT Watch X. DT Watch X also has that similar feature, where you can choose the always on display theme. And this one looks really amazing, guys. It also has palm gesture as well. So here is a pre-installed game, and this one runs really smooth, as you can see, 60 FPS, and looks very nice. So yeah, the bezel is also very thin compared to previous HK models. Here is our activity application. Now all of the applications looks very similar to the original Apple Watch Ultra 2. Now let's check raise to wake feature. As you can see, it is working really nice, no issues. The always on display also looks very good, and the display quality is amazing, guys. I'm really impressed by the display. It also has a palm gesture, which is a really nice feature. So I'm gonna be comparing it with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra copy. It is a Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I will do a comparison video. So please leave a comment down below, like this video, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. And thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.